Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python 3, 8+, and activating a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, install the core packages like the OpenAI client, Flask for a simple web endpoint, and Python dotenv to manage secrets. Make sure to set your API key in a env file and never commit it. Then create a minimal project folder, open an editor, and create a requirements txt so you can reproduce the environment later. You now build the middle, a Python module that calls the chat API and a Flask route that receives user messages. Once the route gets input, craft a clear system prompt and user prompt, then send them to the client with sensible max tokens and temperature settings. Make sure to handle JSON parsing, check for rate limit errors, and add retries or exponential backoff. Also log both requests and responses, scrub sensitive data, so you can iterate on prompts quickly. You finish by running the app locally and exercising typical conversations through curl or postman to verify behavior. Once running, validate edge cases like long inputs, unexpected JSON and connection timeouts, and make sure your prompt framing yields useful replies. If responses fail, check the API key and network connectivity first, then inspect error codes for rate limits or invalid parameters. Finally, deploy a simple container or platform with environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.